YouTube, welcome back to my video. It's your girl Nelly. Today we are going to be doing a third install. So I got this wig from an AliExpress company. It's called MEYA hair and it came as a wig. And as you guys see, the frontal is plucked and it looks good. So I got this hair like a while ago, and when I received the hair, y'all, I can you not, like, it was so thin. Like, so mind you, this wig is supposed to be a 26-inch wig, and when I received the hair, they gave me multiple different lengths. So they only had like one bundle of 26, but if you guys see, like, it's really thin. And then a lot of the other lengths was like 12, 16, 14, however much. And yeah, it wasn't a good idea to get a wig from here. But as you guys see right now, I am now bleaching it. It doesn't take a long time for it to bleach. So yeah. So as you guys see, my roots didn't turn as blonde as it did last time. So I'm definitely trying to work on like bleaching my knots so that way the roots won't get blonde and I won't have to like redo the roots or nothing like that. But y'all, look at that hairline. Look at it. Let's get into it. And so right now I'm just blow drying the hair so that way it could dry a little bit faster. So y'all, I bought this cap and it was given very thick. And as you guys see, I had a lot of castor oil on my head. Then I bought the second one and it was given, you know, more more see-through. Y'all, I don't even know why I even put the got to be glue on first, because I mean my edges was already laid, my braids was already tight enough. So I don't even know why I did this point, but that was dumb, I think. So now I'm just cutting off my ears. Y'all know, like, when y'all cut the ears, like, it be hurting. So y'all, I put on so much castor oil and I should have never did that, because I think that is the reason why the glue wasn't sticking as good, or the gel wasn't sticking as good. But you know, I gave it a try and now I know why to not do that anymore. So I was trying to cut more and more of the lace off because the lace was literally like on my forehead. So I try to cut it like a little bit closer to my hairline. That way it could, you know, blend in more or whatever. Literally the size is definitely not my favorite part. Like, I don't even know like how to make that blend more. Like the sides, I have no idea like how to make that blend, because I had like a very hard time with it. Okay, so now I'm just putting on my wig, trying to see like where the line is adding up, and then I'm putting on the makeup. This time I did the makeup a little bit, you know, I did it right this time. So it looks kind of better in the video now, but as you guys see, I had too much oil and makeup, and plus the gel. Yeah. Cutting out the ears is also not my favorite part. I keep on cutting the edges shorter than what it usually is, and I think because I don't be pulling my wig all the way down, but like it's hard doing it yourself. So So right now I'm just putting got to be glue on it so that way it could blend a little bit more. This time I didn't use the glue. I'm not sure why. I think I just wanted to do the got to be glue method because got to be glue, it does stick and it does work if you use it the right way. So I just wanted it to blend and lay down a little bit better. And then I started blow drying it. So after putting the got to be glue on it, you just want to make sure that you're combing it back so that way that it can stick to the glue or the gel, whatever that you're using. And yeah. Y'all see that? See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, ain't nobody gonna see that anyway, so it kind of really don't even matter. But y'all, look at my scalp. It's definitely giving scalp. And then right here, I showed y'all how thin it was. Like, it was so thin for a 26-inch wig. And then so now, as you guys see, like I'm trying to flatten it out, right? And it had like these little pieces of hair that just kept sticking up, and I'm like, oh my god, it's too much going on with this wig. And then right here, I'm just trying to cut out my lace. This time I used the scissors. I didn't use the razor, but I definitely wanted to use the razor and I just couldn't find it. Like, do y'all see that? Like, me and hair, just go ahead and count your days, cause. And then right here, I'm just putting on more makeup because you know, this lace was a transparent lace, and usually it doesn't blend in with my type of skin. So yeah, you guys want to put you know, makeup over it. So since the 26 wig was given very much thin, I decided to cut it into a bob. And y'all, I had this wig for like several months because I was never going to use it because it was so thin for 26. But um somebody gave me the idea to just cut it into a bob, and as you guys see, like it's definitely giving real hair, like real hair from the scalp. So next I just put some mousse so that way them little hairs could lay down. Y'all, my friends did not like how I bumped the ends. Like, what was it giving? It's definitely giving real hair. Like, you can't even lie. So next, this is the most stressful part of like the whole wig install is freaking baby hair. So I cut it with scissors and then I use the gorilla snot. And I don't know why people say like gorilla snot like isn't good, like, or why people don't like it, because I feel like it works like perfectly fine. And as you guys see, I'm definitely putting on the foam, and then I'm gonna be putting like the gorilla snot like on my edges and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the most stressful part because I never really done like my real edges, like never had baby hair or nothing like that. So yeah. And y'all, this is what it looks like from far away, and I feel like it looked great. So yeah, let's keep watching. So I know this side looks terrible because I didn't know how to get rid of that lace or anything. I just feel like, I don't know, I just don't know how to get rid of it. So yeah. And so, y'all, this is my results for my third time installing a wig. It's definitely given. Like, I love it, but it makes me look like a little girl. But I did a great job. So I think all you have to do is just trust the process, and it will come out okay. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to tune into my other videos. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.